What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching another video. I'm pulled off on the side of the road, as you can clearly see. We're going to be doing some back road driving in today's video. I had to drive a decent amount to get to some fun back roads here in my state, so I'm just going to enjoy. We're going to be driving the MK7 GTI, just going to have some fun with the car. So let's go out and see what we can do. And I'm not the greatest driver in the world, so bear with me. Traction, everything is off. Feels so good, honestly. It's crazy how much a tune can do on these cars, and these roads are very twisty. It's hard to find good roads in my area, like I said before, but if you look, you could find. This car with a better wheel and tire setup would do amazing on back roads like this. Now, I am on extreme contacts right now, but I'm also on heavy 19-inch wheels from my S3. So at the same time, it's not the best setup in the world, but it's a lot better than what the car had when I bought it. So I definitely plan on doing some suspension on this car soon, and definitely going to be doing some lightweight wheels and some good tires on this car so I can have some fun. And I think I'm going to be bringing the Audi up here too, just to see how it does on its setup, because and I love these roads around here because there's not much activity, not many people driving them, because this is literally out like in the countryside, out in the sticks. And the car's performing optimally as well. No knock, no hot temps. The car loves the tune. Surprisingly, the clutch, and I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I've been driving this car decently hard. The clutch has held up without much issue. I haven't had any problems realistically. The clutch hasn't slipped, it hasn't felt soft, it hasn't felt weird. So it's been driving like a dream, and this is amazing. I'm still learning the car. I haven't really pushed it on many back roads and done any kind of twisty, windy road driving, so I don't want to overdo it and cause an issue, but I'm still learning the car and seeing how it reacts, how it understeers, and basically just the limitations of the car itself. So, but it feels pretty good so far. I haven't had any tire squeal. I've hit decent speeds already back here, so the car feels great. Again, with a good suspension, wheel and tire setup, it's going to feel even better. So unfortunately, we ran into some people in front of us, and we passed by many good bends, twists, and turns, but I think we're getting to the end of this back road here, and we caught up to a couple of cars now. So I don't know if that means that I was driving okay, or I don't know if that means that these guys were just driving extra slow. Again, by no means am I a great driver. It's just for fun. Just pretty much why I wanted to have this car on back roads and see what it really feels like is A, to really test out the tune. Just gives me more freedom to really put my foot down and see what it feels like, and the car feels awesome, number one. And number two, just to see how the car, the way it's just set up right now with just the S3's wheels, with the extreme contacts, with the stock suspension, just to see what the car feels like. And one, the car does feel pretty good, like I said before. And two, with a good suspension, wheel and tire setup, this car is going to feel ridiculous on back roads. It's going to be amazing. It's going to be an absolute beast. So that's definitely probably the next thing I'm going to do with this car, is figure out a suspension setup and figure out what kind of wheels and tires I want to run for this car. And I think that's where we're going to leave that for now. Like I said, probably going to be coming up soon. very quickly, guys, just gonna end the video right here. Short little video, just again, wanted to have some fun on the back roads with my car. And I'm probably going to be bringing the S3 up into this area soon as well, just to see how it does compared to this car. And obviously the S3 has a lot more power than this does and more mods, so we'll see how that works out. But hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It lets YouTube know that I'm doing a good job. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good day.